Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add picture next to name in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first open your Excel document. Firstly, then show the format. This format is the name, serial number and name and address. This name is next add to the picture. Firstly add picture, then we can see now for click the name, first name option, this Mahmoud. Now for click, now click for the mouse right button option, then click for the insert comment option, then show the status bar, then bar is the text, this text is the removed. Now for remove, then click for the mouse right button option, then click for the format comment option, then again click for the colors and line option, then for click, now click for the colors option, now for more option, then click for the fill effect option, then click for the picture option, now click for the select picture option, now click for the work offline option, then initialize picture, now for click, now click for the insert option, then again click for the OK, then again click for the OK, that's okay. Then again add picture is the next name. Now for click, now click for the mouse right button option, then click for the insert comment option, then show the bar, this the text, this text is the removed, then mouse right button click, then click for the format comment option, then click for the colors and line option, now for color, and click for the fill effect option, then click for the picture option, now click for the select picture option, and click for the work offline option, then insert picture, now click for the insert option, now for OK, then again OK, that's okay. Then again others name option, now for click, now click for the mouse right button option, then click for the insert comment option, then remove the text, then click for the mouse right button option and click for the format comment option, then colors option, then click for the fill effect option, now click for the pixel option, then click for the select picture, then initialize picture, now for insert option, then click for the OK, and then again click for the OK, that's okay. Then try for this, then click for the Mahmoud Arif, that's okay. Then show the add picture next to name in Microsoft Word. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.